Hello everyone, this is day 2, day 2, part 2 of Unit 7, Lesson 5. We're going to be working on our geometry skills here, and just before we get into anything, let's read our goal together, and I can build. Ready? I can build, draw, name, describe, sort, and classify polygons. Remember, polygon, that prefix poly just means many, so just basically a many-sided shape by their characteristics. And the word characteristics really stands for sides, vertices, angles, lengths. And I just want to show you just some of those terms again, just to help. So if I was going to do a many-sided shape like a trapezoid, right here, I'm going to just start with a vertex. So remember that a vertex is just one. That's just one corner. Now if I have multiple though, meaning two or more, those are then vertices. Along with that, we have the angles. The angles are kind of the opposites of the vertices. And remember, just a vertex or the vertices, those are just those corners, those outside points. The angles are the inside. Basically, an angle is how far is it from one line to another when you open those up. And those are all of our angles on the inside there. And then the sides, that's one of the big ones. It just kind of helps you figure out what kind of shape it is, because the sides, when you count up the sides, that is a way. We're gonna just change the color. It's starting to get a little messy here, because when you count those sides, that will tell you really what kind of shape it's going to be. And one more there. But so that's what we're going to be looking at. We are going to just be getting to study a lot of those characteristics today. Now, remember for these videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it up a little bit today. Instead of doing one super huge long video, I'm going to do one video per page. So this is for page 460. After this page is over, done kind of talking about it and walking you through it, I'm going to stop the video and then I'm going to do another video for page 461. That way then you really can just do this in parts and you don't have to pause the video all the time. Now, right now you could stop this video, go back into Schoology. You could open up all of the pages, page 400, just all the pages for this, page 460, page 461, page 462. Open them all up, send them to Notability, and that way they're just all ready. Or you could just do it one page at a time, totally up to you. But then you can kind of go back and forth. You can pause the video as I'm teaching, do a little bit of the sheet, come back and watch more of the video, do more of the sheet, whatever is going to work for you. Me, I would probably watch a little part of the video, do part of the sheet, watch more of the video, do part of the sheet again. But I want you to do what's best for you. And your big assignment, basically your assignment today is to do all 3 pages, 460, 461, 462. And then after you do each page, just submit it to Schoology. Okay, so the first part we're going to be looking at is a polygon. A polygon is a flat, closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other. So, left some marks on there. I was doing some practicing before this. So this first part on your page, it says in black bold, circle the figures that are polygons. Now I'm going to do a couple for you just to show you which ones are polygons, which ones are not. So this shape is a polygon. The reason why it's a polygon is it's closed. What that means is all of these, they have vertices. That's a vertex. All of these lines come to a point. There's no open ends to them anywhere. Also, none of the lines cross each other. So that is a polygon. And I can even count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's also a hexagon, a 6-sided shape. Now I'm going to go to this one. Now let's see. It is flat. Oh, I should have checked that too. That's flat. There are no rounded curves or anything. So this, yep, it's all flat, no rounded curves. Closed figure, yes, there are no open parts, but right here, those lines cross each other like an X. That means this is not a polygon. If you would want to, you could even cross it out on your page if you'd want to. But so those are two examples of polygons. You know, I'll give you a couple more too, sorry. Just to help with this teaching. So I'm going to look at this shape here, number 22. Flat, oh, no, right away. That's not flat, that's rounded, so that can't be a polygon then. And then we'll give you one more example. This one right here. Okay, it's flat. Yep, it's flat. Closed figure. No, it is not a closed figure. Look at it, it's missing a total line. That means this cannot be a polygon. So you're going to do problems 18 through 25. You can pause there. You can pause the video there to do that part of the page if you want to. Okay. Then the second part of the page is talking about concave and convex. In concave polygons, there exists a line segment with endpoints inside the polygon and a point on the line segment that is outside the polygon. A convex figure has no such line segments. You know, we have talked about these already. I mean, if you remember in class, these are some things that we have talked. Okay, those definitions are totally fine. I do way better with the pictures here though. This is concave because this basically goes inside the shape. I always think about it like a cave, an actual cave, like that's like a cave opening, concave. Convex, it does not go out. So just a couple quick more examples. That is concave because it has parts going in like a cave. This, oh, can I do that again? I'm trying to draw some more interesting looking shapes. That is another, that shape is convex. There are no parts that go in like this concave shape. These all stay out. But I can still call these shapes by their names. Like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I cannot think off the top of my head what a 7-sided shape is. I'm going to go to Safari just to check. 7-sided shape. Heptagon. Oh, I could not remember it. So that's a heptagon. Because it has 7 shapes. But I'm going to show you, look at that though. This shape right there, that's convex. There are no parts that go in. It has 7 sides, so that's a heptagon. This is also a heptagon, but it's just a concave heptagon. Let's count how many sides are on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that is a pentagon. Now that does not look like a normal pentagon though. You may be thinking, Mr. Johnson, pentagons usually look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Yep, that's more of a regular one. This is still a pentagon. As long as it has 5 sides, it's still a pentagon. So now going to this, I have to figure out problems 26, 27, 28, 29. Are they convex or concave? So just use the parts that I just showed you. Use that picture up on the top of page 400, or on the middle page 460 to help you figure out as well. When you're done with this page, submit it to Schoology.